Many Americans, often, though not always, on the right, like to think of the United States as exceptional. America, they tell us, is a land uniquely devoted to individual liberty, unlike the socialist dystopias of Europe. Whatever one makes of this idea, there is at least one way in which America is truly exceptional. We have treated health care not as a right, but as a luxury to be enjoyed only by those who work hard enough to earn it. This changed just over a year ago with the passage of the Affordable Care Act, which aims to provide insurance to the more than 40 million Americans without it. If this act can survive numerous legal challenges, then America will have ceased to be exceptional, joining other nations in treating health care as a birthright. If the act is undermined, however, then the United States will persist in its exceptional disregard of the common good, providing inferior care to fewer citizens at an exorbitant moral and economic cost. That's the kind of exceptionalism that no country should be proud of. Thank you.